Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pinpointing the exact talking problem and why it matters. Write down when it happens, who's involved, and what the trigger is. Once done, pick one clear target behavior. Speak less in interruptions, pause before answering, or lower your volume, and make it measurable so you can track progress. Then schedule a 10-15-minute daily practice window. This short, consistent repetition builds the skill. Make sure to keep the goal simple, so you can act immediately and gain early wins. You now work through the core techniques. Start using a 3-second pause before you speak. Count silently and breathe to steady your response. Once comfortable, role-play typical scenarios with a partner or coach, record 1-2 sessions weekly, and review to spot habits. Apply gradual exposure. Begin practicing in low-stress settings, then step up to more challenging conversations as you gain confidence. Make sure to combine feedback with repetition, so the new pattern replaces the old one. You finish by cementing the habit and preparing for setbacks. Install simple reminders, phone alerts, sticky notes, or a pre-conversation checklist so you don't revert to old patterns. Track wins and setbacks weekly and adjust goals by about 10-20% to stay realistic. This keeps momentum without burnout. If progress stalls, pause training for 3 days, analyze what caused the stall, stress, environment, or technique, and then restart with targeted tweaks. This troubleshooting step prevents frustration and keeps improving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.